Today I'm coming to you with 20 data entry work from home jobs that's going to put some money in your pocket as soon as today is Friday next week. All you got to do is click on any link that I talk about, and they're going to all be on the bottom. Any ones that I talk about is going to be in the bottom of this video. You could click on the link, start the process. Starting off with number one is called Holiday Credit Repair, Richmond, Virginia. A sales consultant. You can make from anywhere from $600 to $1,500 a week. Two is called FLS Connect Jacksonville, Florida. Customer service, $11 to $20 an hour. Before I go any further, if you are curious about other ways to make money, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification, so when I do future videos, you can see, you will be the first one to see the new video. And if you subscribe to the channel, you can see that what videos I have currently that might help you into making some money from home with the survey sites, legit survey sites where you can make some legit money, and some work from home jobs that you can work from the comforts of your home and make money. Okay, so number three is called Yavari LLC Medley, Florida. A sales consultant, $27,000. You can make $27,000 a year, and this is in Medley, Florida. Work from home. Four is called Fun.com, remote seasonal customer service. So they need seasonal customer service clients, like seasonal customer service workers as we speak. You must type at least 25 words per minute. Number five is called Patton Financial in Austin, Texas. Licensed life insurance agent. You must have a valid insurance certification. If you don't have that, don't click on the link. Number six is called preemployed.com, Redding, California. Customer service rep, $13 to $15 an hour. Seven is called AdviceOne LLC in Glastonbury, Connecticut. Operations associate. You need bachelor's in business. Eight is called Home Smart Realty Advisors, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Real estate sales, you can make up to $100,000. When you work for realty as an agent, you can make some decent money, and you can make anywhere from up to $100,000 a year working for this particular company. Number nine is called Blue Shield of California, Lodi, California. Phone support. It's more like a data entry level, but they want you to know that as being as a phone support, you're going to be on the phone a lot, answering calls and listening to customers' issues or whatever. And this is in Lodi, California. Number 10 is called Family Advisors in Reno, Nevada. Life insurance agent. You can make up to $2,700 a week. $2,700 a week. And yes, they are still hiring. Work from home. 11 is called Get Insured in Atlanta, Georgia. Customer service rep, $14.50 to $16.50 an hour, and is 100% remote. 12 is Closets by Design in Boston, Stoughton, Massachusetts. Sales designer, $2,000 to $4,000 a month. So you can make anywhere from $2,000 a month to $4,000 a month. 100% remote. 13 is called Sugarloaf Native Nursery and Supply, Dickerson, Maryland. Immediate sales position. They got full-time, part-time positions available. 14 is called Agency Gifts, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Work from home. Phone sales must be a go-getter and display no fear when cold calling, because if you might not know, but when you're doing cold calling, they're gonna dial a number for you, and you're gonna, hey, how you doing? Or you're gonna give your pitch, and you gotta have You know, you got to be strong, because when they hang up, you can't have no attitude, because that's going to be your job. No fear of cold calling. And you can make up to $55,000 a year. Cold calling. 15 is called SCFE Virtual Call Center, Dallas Fort Worth, Texas. Customer service, $9 to $13 an hour. And you need 1 year of customer service experience for this position. 16 is called Absolute Dental, and this is in Las Vegas, Nevada. Call center specialist, $11 to $13 an hour. Bilingual, please apply. If you're bilingual, please apply. They need bilingual people that need to work, employees as well. Bilingual, please apply. You can make from $11 to $13 an hour. 17 is called Glam Lab Makeup Studios and Academy, Cosmetic Sales Associate. You can make up to $45,000 to $150,000 a year. I know this sound like what? Yeah, but they're hiring, and this is apps. This is really cool because it's work from home. You're going to be a sales associate, so it really depends on how much you can sell. You can make up to $45,000. That's the least. The most you can make up to is $150,000 a year. 18 is called Blue Star Claims Management, Phoenix, Arizona. Claims intake coordinator, $12 to $16 an hour. No experience is needed because they will train you over the phone for this experience. I mean, it's going to be an experience, but they're going to train you for this particular job. Blue Stars Claims Management, you can make $12 to $16 an hour. 19 is called Hagstrom Management, Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn. Marketing rep, commission-based pay, $29,071 and $29,000 to $82,000. Let's break it off roughly. $29,000 to $82,000 you can make up to a year. I know that sounds weird, but it is possible because you're going to be a marketing rep and you're going to be getting paid or based on commission. So you know how commission go. It's like for whatever sale you make, that's how you get paid. 20 is called Pharmalogics Recruiting in Quincy, Massachusetts, executive recruiter. And you can make anywhere from $20 to $25 an hour. You find any of these interesting? Don't forget, click on any link that you feel that is right for you. If you feel like you can do part-time, do part-time. You feel like you could do full-time, do full-time. It's all up to you. The ball is in your court. And I feel that my job is to bring you some opportunities to make some money from home. Simple. But that's what I love to do. I want to give you the opportunity and show you ways of how to make money from home with a legit job and working from home and making money. So those are the 20 data entry work from home jobs that I'm bringing to you today. And I hope that any one of them is going to help you make some money from home, gain some employment, and just click on any links that you find appealing to you that you like and start the process. So with that being said, I want to say thank you for hanging out with me for a bit. I appreciate you, and stay safe. And come back, click on the link, see what you like, come back, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.